Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Before you dive into the world of guns and bows, hold your horses. We're going to walk through 10 crucial tips that'll save you from newbie blunders. Think of me as your friendly neighborhood guide, navigating you through the exciting world of firearms and archery. Let's get started.
All right, first up, the legal stuff. Before you even think about buying a gun or bow, you gotta know the rules of the game. We're talking permits, storage regulations, transportation laws, the whole shebang. Each state and even city can have their own quirks, so do your homework. Okay, now that we've got the legal mumbo-jumbo out of the way, let's talk about you. What's your jam? Are you hoping to bag a trophy buck this hunting season? Maybe you're more of a hit the bullseye and impress my friends kind of person. Or perhaps you just want something for home defense, just in case things get a little too Walking Dead. Just don't be the person who buys a high-powered rifle when all you really want to do is shoot some cans off a fence post. All right, time for the fun part, choosing your weapon. But whoa there, cowboy, let's not get ahead of ourselves. The world of guns and bows is a diverse one, my friend. For guns, you've got rifles, shotguns, handguns, each with their own quirks and uses. And bows. You've got your compound bows, your recurve bows, your long bows, each with their own level of complexity and cool factor. Compound bows are like the automatic transmissions of the bow world, easier for beginners. Recurve and long bows? Those are for the traditionalists, the folks who like a little more challenge and a touch of that ancient archer vibe. Here's a golden rule. If it doesn't feel right, it ain't right. This goes for everything in life, but especially guns and bows. Take your time, hold different models, and see what feels good in your hands. Pay attention to the weight, the grip, the draw weight, all that jazz. Okay, let's talk money. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and want to drop a small fortune on the fanciest gear available. But hold your horses, my friend. Before you empty your bank account, set a budget and stick to it. Remember, the initial cost of the gun or bow is just the tip of the iceberg. You've got ammo, arrows, accessories, maintenance. It all adds up. Here's the thing about ammo and arrows. They're not all created equal. Do your research, find out what works best for your specific model, and factor that cost into your budget. You need the right size and type for your bow, or you'll be all over the place. Listen, there's no shame in asking for help. Talk to experienced shooters and archers, visit gun ranges and archery shops, and don't be afraid to pick people's brains. These folks have been there, done that, and have the scars, or at least funny stories, to prove it. They can offer invaluable advice, steer you in the right direction, and help you avoid common pitfalls. All right, this is the fun part. Once you've got a good idea of what you're looking for, it's time to get hands-on. Visit a local gun range or archery shop and try before you buy. Hold different models, get a feel for the weight and balance, and maybe even send a few rounds downrange or arrows flying through the air. Plus, it's a great way to get some expert advice and make sure you're comfortable with your choice. Okay, folks, let's get serious for a moment. Safety should always be your #1 priority. When choosing a gun, look for features like safety switches, trigger locks, and secure storage options. Here's the thing about guns and bows. They're not a one-and-done purchase. Ammo, arrows, targets, maintenance, it all adds up. So before you take the plunge, make sure you're prepared for the long haul. Think of it like a long-term relationship. It requires commitment, care, and the occasional splurge on something special. So, there you have it. 10 essential tips to guide you on your journey into the world of guns and bows. Just remember, whether you're aiming for a bullseye or a trophy buck, the most important thing is to be safe, be responsible, and most importantly, have fun.